Hello, and welcome back to Learning English with Minecraft. My name is Kenzo, and this is English from the ground up. In the last video, I found some carrots and watermelon and planted them here at my house. And off camera, I was going to expand this farm this way. So I got a shovel and started digging up all the sand. And as I was digging up the sand, I noticed something. Right now, I have a stone shovel. So watch how fast I can dig with a stone shovel. Okay, now look at this shovel. This shovel is gold. It's a gold shovel, and this shovel is also enchanted with magical abilities. So now watch how fast I can dig with this shovel. Do you see how fast that shovel dug up the sand? This made me realize that before I start building huge structures and digging up the sand to expand the farm, before I do all of that, I should find some diamonds and make diamond tools, because with diamond tools, all of that will be way faster. So in this video, I'm going to find diamonds, and I'm not ending this video until I find diamonds. Okay, I'm going to sleep, and in the morning, I'm going to collect all the things I'll need to go adventuring underground to search for diamonds. So it's morning. It's morning. I can hear, I can hear this zombie. Okay, now I think that I have everything I will need to go exploring underground. I have 6 pickaxes, 3 swords, and some torches, some food. I think I have everything I will need. So I'm going to go search for a cave. Uh-oh. There's a zombie with gold armor. Die. I think he dropped a golden helmet. Yeah, cool. Where could a cave be? I'm going to head into the forest that way. Oh, there are zombies chasing me. Wow, there are lots of monsters chasing me. All right, the forest. It's raining. It's raining. I haven't found a cave yet. I'm still searching. There's a skeleton over there. When it's raining, the monsters don't burn in the sunlight because there's no sun. There's no sun up there in the sky. It's just gray. The skies are just gray. Uh-oh. Zombies. Are there any caves here? I don't see any. Okay. Wow! So many creepers. Uh-oh. Okay. Die, skeleton. Okay. Whew. This is really dangerous. Okay, I'm gonna go down here. I'm gonna first pick up a little bit of coal. I'm glad that I have armor. I'm going to place a torch. Oh no, it stops. Okay, this cave stops right here, so I'm going back up. Okay, we're here at the surface. And I'm going to run. Is that the village over there? I think so. I can sleep at the village for tonight. Okay, we're here. Finally someplace safe. I'm going to find a bed. Here's one. And sleep. And hopefully in the morning, it won't be raining anymore. There we go. Good weather. Blue skies, the sun, no rain. That is good for me. It's time to go back to my search for a cave. In the last video, I found this swamp right here, but I didn't explore it. So now I think that it's time to explore this swamp. The swamps are a new biome. I haven't yet explored a swamp like this in Minecraft. So this should be exciting. I see lots of roots. Are these roots? Mangrove roots. Wow, I can't see anything here. Some fish. Wow, I really like the swamp. Lots of different fish. I don't know what this fish is doing. It's just spinning around in circles. This one too. Oh. I think the fish are glitched out. They're having a rave party. This fish is normal. Yeah. This is a normal fish. This fish isn't dancing. I am completely lost. I have no idea where I am. But it's okay because I have a map. I still haven't found a cave. Wow. It's a little pond right here. I'm going to leave the swamp because I can't see very well in the swamp, and I'm looking for a cave. Any caves? Oh, maybe over there? Nope, not a cave. Oh my god. It's the village again. I went in a circle. I am the worst in the world with directions. I went in a big circle. Wow. Whoa. Nope, not a cave. Still no caves. Caves, where are you? Cave? Nope. Again, no. Cave? Any caves? Anywhere? Ooh, wow. That is a beautiful waterfall over there. Are you a cave? Cave? Okay, this looks like a cave. It's been 30 minutes and I finally found a cave that looks promising. So I'm going to go down there. Ooh, there's light down here. I'm going to place a torch. Where is this light coming from? Is it this? Oh, weird. I can't believe that we're already 5 episodes into this series and I haven't found diamonds. It's about time we found some diamonds. There's some iron. Okay. Well, we found some iron, which is a good sign because it means we're getting deeper. Redstone. I don't think that I need any more redstone. I'm looking for diamonds. Okay, wow, this place is huge. There has to be some diamonds down here. I'm going to eat something before going down there because my health is low. There we go. I ate some watermelons, and now I'm going to start digging down there, this way. Okay. As usual, there are lots of monsters. Going to eat again. When your hunger bar is full, then you can regenerate health. This place is so dangerous. I'm going to need more torches soon. I am hiding right now because there are tons of monsters here. I'm going to build more torches with coal and sticks. Now I have 40 more torches. Diamonds! We found diamonds! Just one? Okay, just one diamond, but it's okay. This is the first diamond that we've found in this world. So, hooray! Okay. No, no. Uh-oh. Hiding. Okay. I really don't want to die now that I've found a diamond. So I'm going to hide until I have regained my health. Okay. I'm going to run that way. Run! Run, run, run! Down here? Okay. I think I'm safe. Torch. Okay, I'm getting really deep. I need to find some more diamonds. Oh, wow. Uh-oh. Okay, die. Some lapis. I'll collect this lapis real quick. And there we go. Back up here. Oh, another skeleton. No! Get out of here. Leave. Leave me alone. Die, die, die. Ooh, that was close. Diamonds? Where are the diamonds? Maybe over here? This seems a little bit dangerous. To be this close to lava. Diamonds? Are there any diamonds here? Whoa, uh-oh. Uh-oh, I'm on fire. Am I gonna die? Am I dead? No. Wow, I survived. That was another close call. Jeez. Okay, well, no diamonds here. Time to continue on. Maybe I'll go up there and continue searching. Going up. Skeletons. I hate skeletons. Skeletons are my worst enemy. Well, I am never going to find that place again. Wow. Well, that sucks. I technically found some diamonds, and now I'm upset. So I'm going to end this video right here. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.